Ang aircon ay isa sa mga appliances na pinakamalakas kumonsumo ng kuryente. Pero kapag mainit ang panahon, napakalaking ginhawa naman ang naibibigay nito para mapreskohan ang iyong pamilya. And because of that, Fujidenso is introducing its newest inverter window air conditioner. Compared to regular air conditioners, Fujidenso inverter aircon can give you up to 50% energy savings. It's also manufactured in Taiwan, where energy efficiency standards are strictly observed. So that's a guarantee for you. So hindi lang siya basta matipid, maganda rin ang quality. And did I mention na Fujidenso inverter aircon also has the highest EER or energy efficiency ratio among other brands in the market? Yes, and it also has a very competitive price. Fujidenso combines affordable pricing with energy efficiency and quality performance. And to add, Fujidenso gives you 1-year warranty on parts and service, plus 5 years on compressor. Kaya hindi nyo na kailangang magtiis, lalo na kung mainit ang panahon. Dahil sa Fujidenso, mabibigyan nyo na ng ginhawa ang inyong pamilya nang hindi nabubutas ang inyong bulsa sa pagbabayad ng mataas na kuryente. Just look for the Fujidenso Inverter Window Air Conditioner in any leading appliance store nationwide. If you want to know more about our products, you can search us on Facebook, Fujidenso Appliances, or you can visit our website at www.exatech.com.ph. Fujidenso, quality above all.